Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we'll teach you how to fix compatibility issues. The resumes used in this tutorial can be found at the following links. When you open Word documents that have been created in older versions of Word, you'll see this, Compatibility Mode, next to the file name at the top of the window. Compatibility Mode means that the newer features of the Word version that you're using will not be enabled. This is to maintain compatibility with the version the document is saved in. To enable these new features, you can go to File, and in the Info section, you can click on Convert to convert it to the Word version you're using. Here, I've opened up two versions of the same resume to show you the difference when we convert one to a later version of Word. I'm going to change the one on the right, and we can go to the Info section and click Convert. You'll get a warning that this will be upgraded to the newest file format and that you might see minor layout changes, and that converting allows you to use the new features of Word. So let's click OK. Once you convert it, notice that the Compatibility mode next to the file name at the top of the window is no longer there. You notice here now, these circles have an inner circle in them. So those have changed. Let's click on the older version. When we click on the circle, we only have the ability to resize it. But when we click on this one, that has the newer features enabled, we have this rotate function, this move function, and you can also modify the layout here quickly. So converting to the latest Word version gives you some additional features that you can use. In this resume, when we convert the document to the latest version, we'll see some layout changes. I'll show you how to quickly fix those. So let's convert the one on the right. Once we convert it, notice these headings have come down, and the table cell that contains the headings are slightly larger in height. The reason is the positioning of the text box has changed. So if we click on it, we can go to the Format tab, and under Arrange, we can position it to the top left of the table cell. So that fixes it. We can do the same for the other headings. And now it looks exactly like the original. In some cases, you may need to save a Word document to be compatible with an older version. Currently, this version is saved as a Word 2016 file. To check if saving it as an older version is going to result in any compatibility issues, you can again go back to File, and under Info, click on Check for Issues, and select Check Compatibility. Now here under the versions, it's showing the compatibility issues with Word 97 to 2003, 2007, and 2010. So let's uncheck all of them and enable them one by one. So if you select just Word 2010, there are no compatibility issues. If you select Word 2007, there is one issue. The shapes and text boxes will be converted to the effects available in this format. If we select Word 97 to 2003, then you get an additional compatibility issue of text box positioning changing. It also shows you the number of occurrences for these issues in the document. So assume we want to save it as a Word 97 to 2003 file. We can go to File, Save As, And here we can select Word 97 to 2003, which is the old doc format, not the docx. Here, let me just rename this to add doc. When we save, it again gives us a warning showing what compatibility issues are there, and we can click Continue. In this case, there are not any major changes, but in some templates, you might see some significant changes that you'll have to fix. So that's a basic overview of how to fix compatibility issues between different versions of Word and saving files to be compatible with older versions. Thank you.